Guys, thank you for visiting the HID factory. So today what we did is we did a retrofit on a 2017 Honda Accord. They went from the halogen headlights, these basic headlights, you know, with the projector, to the LED touring headlights. They actually, you know, they match the fog lights that you see here. These do fit. We do have the adapters to convert these to fit your vehicle if they do come with these ugly halogens. All right, so what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna show you that it does have the factory LED strip on the bottom, factory white. Now, guys, don't forget we did some modifications to this, but what we're trying to show you is that we can do it in factory mode, and you can see it. All right, check out that bottom strip. You know, everything looks good in factory. But this customer opted to take it a little further than normal. So what they wanted to do is they wanted to add another white strip on the top. So what they did, give it that little Audi style look. Top strip, look at that. Check it out, I'm gonna zoom in. All right, and not to mention, you know, we're gonna show you that the LED headlights function properly. I'm gonna turn the headlights on for you real quick. Look at that nice crisp line. And not only that, guys, it matches your factory LED fog lights. It's right on, it's right on. All right, we're gonna turn those parking lights off. And we're gonna show you the top strip now. Go back to this top strip. And now what we're gonna do is, like on that bottom strip, you can add different colors. Blue, green, red, whatever you want. It's like Burger King, guys, have it your way. Wanna do red, blue. If you wanna turn off the white strip on the top, you're more than welcome to do that. Have it your way again. Not to mention, guys, we also have color chasing on these. Check it out. Yeah, check that bottom strip. That same bottom strip is now doing color chasing. Top strip doing it as well. You can do different functions, different thing. Check it out, guys. I'll get a little closer. Look at that. Check that out. All right, so we're all gonna put it on one color chasing real quick. Let's just say you're going down the road or whatever. All right, let's just say you're going down the road and you wanna hit your driver's side blinker. Let's hit it. Check it out, guys, it looks beautiful. Looks amazing. And then you can do the driver's side as well. All right. So guys, at any given time, guys, if you have the halogen headlights, those halogen old style projector headlights, you can convert to the Touring Edition LED headlights. Factory touring headlights. They don't have to be aftermarket. These are factory. They do convert. You just got to have us modify the harness, or you can get some that are pre-built, but it is a little bit pricey. If you guys want to set up an appointment to do a job like this, it does take about 4 to 6 hours on converting just to the LED headlights itself. To do a full build like this with the different colors and all that may take about, again, 2 to 3 days. If you're interested in changing your car to the latest in technology, visit the HIDfactory.com, guys. Thank you and have a blessed day.